Writing: imagine a fighter jet so advanced that it seems to disappear into the sky, strike before it is detected, and leave behind nothing but confusion on enemy radar screens. The XF-305B Thunder Ghost II is a revolutionary concept aircraft designed to represent the future of American air dominance. Built around the idea of absolute stealth, extreme speed, and artificial intelligence-assisted combat, this futuristic fighter pushes the limits of what military aviation could become in the decades ahead. While many modern aircraft rely on a combination of advanced sensors and skilled pilots, the Thunder Ghost II takes that philosophy to an entirely new level by merging human decision-making with powerful onboard AI systems capable of processing battlefield information in real time. From the moment the aircraft powers up on the runway, every system works together as a single intelligent network. The jet's adaptive engines continuously adjust performance based on altitude, weather conditions, and mission requirements. Unlike traditional fighter aircraft that operate within fixed performance parameters, the Thunder Ghost II constantly optimizes itself during flight. This allows it to achieve incredible efficiency while maintaining the ability to accelerate rapidly whenever a tactical situation demands it. Military planners envision the aircraft as a platform capable of operating across vast distances without requiring frequent aerial refueling, giving commanders unprecedented flexibility during global operations. One of the most remarkable aspects of the XF-305B Thunder Ghost II is its advanced stealth architecture. Engineers designed every surface of the aircraft to minimize radar reflections. Sharp angles blend seamlessly into smooth contours, creating a shape that scatters radar signals away from enemy receivers. Specialized radar-absorbing materials cover the aircraft's exterior, reducing its electronic signature even further. Heat management systems channel engine exhaust through advanced cooling structures, making the aircraft significantly harder to detect using infrared sensors. Combined with sophisticated electronic warfare systems, these features allow the Thunder Ghost II to penetrate heavily defended airspace while remaining extremely difficult to track. The cockpit represents a dramatic evolution from current fighter aircraft. Instead of relying on multiple physical displays and switches, the pilot interacts with a fully integrated augmented reality environment. Information appears directly on the pilot's visor, providing real-time awareness without requiring attention to shift away from the outside world. Threat indicators, navigation data, target information, and mission updates are projected seamlessly into the pilot's field of view. Voice commands and gesture controls reduce workload, allowing the pilot to focus on tactical decisions rather than managing individual systems. Artificial intelligence serves as the aircraft's constant companion throughout every mission. The onboard AI continuously monitors sensor data from radar systems, infrared trackers, satellite networks, and friendly assets operating across the battlespace. Within fractions of a second, it identifies threats, prioritizes targets, recommends courses of action, and predicts enemy movements. Rather than replacing the pilot, the AI functions as an extremely capable advisor capable of processing information at speeds far beyond human capability. This partnership between human judgment and machine intelligence creates a combat platform capable of responding to rapidly changing situations with unmatched effectiveness. The Thunder Ghost II is also designed to serve as the command center for a network of autonomous support drones. These unmanned systems operate alongside the fighter, extending sensor coverage, conducting electronic warfare missions, gathering intelligence, and even engaging hostile aircraft when necessary. Through secure communications links, the pilot can direct entire formations of drones from the cockpit. This capability transforms a single fighter aircraft into the leader of a coordinated aerial force capable of overwhelming adversaries through numbers, flexibility, and distributed operations. Speed remains one of the defining characteristics of the XF-305B Thunder Ghost II. Engineers envision the aircraft reaching speeds exceeding Mach 3 while maintaining exceptional maneuverability. Advanced adaptive cycle engines allow seamless transitions between fuel-efficient cruising and maximum performance combat modes. These propulsion systems adjust airflow dynamically to optimize thrust under varying conditions. As a result, the aircraft can cover enormous distances rapidly while retaining the ability to engage enemy targets with extraordinary speed. In aerial combat scenarios, the Thunder Ghost II combines stealth, speed, and sensor superiority to gain a decisive advantage. Long before enemy pilots become aware of its presence, the aircraft can detect, classify, and track multiple targets simultaneously. Advanced radar systems utilize low probability of intercept technology, making detection by hostile electronic surveillance equipment extremely difficult. Data gathered from onboard sensors merges with information received from satellites, drones, and allied forces to create a comprehensive battlefield picture. This level of situational awareness allows pilots to make informed decisions faster than their opponents. Weapons systems aboard the aircraft reflect the demands of future warfare. Internal weapons bays preserve stealth characteristics while carrying a diverse arsenal of air-to-air missiles, precision-guided munitions, and hypersonic strike weapons. Future variants may incorporate directed energy systems capable of engaging incoming missiles or damaging enemy sensors at the speed of light. By combining traditional kinetic weapons with advanced energy-based technologies, the Thunder Ghost II maintains flexibility across a wide range of mission profiles. Electronic warfare capabilities form another critical component of the aircraft's design philosophy. Modern conflicts increasingly involve battles fought across the electromagnetic spectrum, where controlling information can be as important as controlling physical territory. The Thunder Ghost II carries powerful electronic attack systems capable of jamming communications, disrupting radar networks, and deceiving enemy sensors. Advanced cyber warfare tools may even enable the aircraft to infiltrate hostile networks and degrade their effectiveness during combat operations. These capabilities provide commanders with options extending far beyond conventional firepower. Survivability remains a central consideration despite the aircraft's stealth characteristics. Engineers recognize that no stealth technology remains effective forever. Consequently, the Thunder Ghost II incorporates multiple layers of protection. Missile warning systems continuously scan for threats while automated countermeasure dispensers deploy decoys and electronic defenses when necessary. Artificial intelligence assists in threat assessment and recommends evasive maneuvers based on real-time calculations. This combination of passive stealth and active defense significantly enhances the aircraft's ability to survive in contested environments. The aircraft's structural design utilizes advanced composite materials developed to withstand extreme stresses while minimizing weight. Nanotechnology-enhanced components improve durability and reduce maintenance requirements. Self-healing surface coatings automatically repair minor damage caused by environmental exposure or small impacts. These innovations increase operational readiness while reducing long-term support costs. Military planners anticipate that such technologies could revolutionize fleet management by reducing downtime and simplifying maintenance procedures. Global deployment capabilities play an important role in the Thunder Ghost II concept. The aircraft is designed to operate from a variety of locations, including traditional airbases, dispersed operating sites, and potentially even specialized highway sections prepared for military use. This flexibility complicates enemy targeting efforts while ensuring rapid response capabilities during crises. By reducing dependence on large centralized bases, commanders gain additional strategic options for force projection and survivability. Training future pilots for such an advanced aircraft requires innovative approaches. Virtual reality systems and AI-driven simulators create realistic combat environments that replicate emerging threats and complex operational scenarios. Pilots can practice missions against intelligent adversaries capable of adapting their tactics in response to training decisions. These training technologies accelerate learning while reducing costs associated with live flight exercises. As a result, pilots arrive at operational squadrons better prepared to exploit the aircraft's full capabilities. The strategic implications of the XF-305B Thunder Ghost II extend beyond individual missions. Possessing a platform capable of penetrating advanced defenses, coordinating autonomous systems, and delivering precision effects across vast distances could reshape military planning. Potential adversaries would face increased uncertainty regarding the location, capabilities, and intentions of forces equipped with such technology. This uncertainty contributes to deterrence by raising the perceived risks associated with aggressive actions. International observers closely monitor developments in advanced fighter technology because air superiority remains a cornerstone of modern military operations. Throughout history, nations capable of controlling the skies have often gained significant advantages across land and maritime domains. The Thunder Ghost II represents an effort to maintain that advantage in an era characterized by rapid technological change and increasingly sophisticated threats. Whether conducting intelligence gathering, defensive patrols, precision strikes, or large-scale combat operations, the aircraft is envisioned as a versatile platform capable of adapting to evolving mission requirements. Environmental considerations also influence future aircraft development. Engineers explore methods for improving fuel efficiency, reducing emissions, and incorporating sustainable technologies where practical. While military effectiveness remains the primary objective, advances achieved through programs like the Thunder Ghost II could eventually influence civilian aerospace industries. Historically, many innovations developed for military aviation have found applications in commercial aircraft, transportation systems, and other technological sectors. Communication systems aboard the aircraft rely on secure high-bandwidth networks capable of transmitting vast amounts of information between platforms. Real-time data sharing enables coordinated operations across multiple domains, including air, land, sea, space, and cyberspace. This interconnected approach reflects the growing importance of network-centric warfare, where success depends upon the ability to gather, process, and distribute information efficiently. The Thunder Ghost II functions not only as a fighter aircraft but also as a node within a larger combat ecosystem. As technology continues to evolve, future upgrades could further expand the aircraft's capabilities. Advances in artificial intelligence, propulsion systems, materials science, and directed energy weapons may unlock new possibilities that are difficult to imagine today. The modular nature of the aircraft's architecture allows engineers to integrate emerging technologies without requiring complete redesigns. This adaptability ensures that the platform remains relevant despite rapidly changing operational environments. Perhaps the most fascinating aspect of the XF-305B Thunder Ghost II is what it symbolizes. Throughout aviation history, each generation of aircraft has reflected the technological ambitions of its era. From the propeller-driven fighters of World War II to the stealth aircraft of the modern age, innovation has continually reshaped the nature of aerial warfare. The Thunder Ghost II represents the next step in that progression, a vision of a future where humans and machines operate together seamlessly, where information becomes as powerful as firepower, and where dominance depends upon speed, intelligence, and adaptability. As the aircraft streaks across the upper atmosphere, nearly invisible to radar and guided by sophisticated artificial intelligence, it embodies the pursuit of technological superiority that has long defined advanced military aviation. Whether conducting reconnaissance deep within contested territory, leading formations of autonomous drones, intercepting hostile aircraft, or delivering precision